Okay, so a pole is 25 feet tall. Its shadow is 35 feet long. Find the angle of elevation from the sun to the nearest degree. So we're trying to find theta, which is this degree measure. And it gives you two numbers. It gives you 25 feet and 35 feet. So in order to find our angle measure, you can choose a trig function that will help you get the degrees. So let's say we wanted to do 25 over 35. So from theta, that is opposite over adjacent. So you have to figure out which trig function is opposite over adjacent. So if you do SOHCAHTOA, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So now we have tangent. So now we have tangent of theta equals 25 over 35. So now you would do theta equal to tangent of -1 of 25 over 35. And the reason you would do tangent of -1 is because you're trying to find the angle measure and not a side. So that's why you would do the inverse of tangent, which is tangent of -1. So in your calculator, you would do second tangent. So you'd put second tangent and then this 25 divided by 35, and you would get 35. So you get theta is equal to 35.5, and it asks for it in the nearest degree, so that would be 36 degrees. The height of a building is unknown. The length of its shadow is 120 feet. The angle of elevation from the edge of the shadow on the ground to the top of the building is 54 degrees. Find the height of the building A. So this time it gives you the degree measure. It gives you the length of the shadow, which is 120 feet, and it wants A. It wants you to find A. So this time, okay, so we have the degree measure. So we could do A over 120 feet. So if we go here, so if you go from 54 degrees, so here to here, so opposite over adjacent. So that trig function would be, again, tangent. So it would be tangent of 54 degrees equals A over 120 feet. So this time we're trying to find A. So to get A by itself, we're going to multiply by 120 on both sides. And now A equals 120 times the tangent of 54, so you just put that in your calculator. So 120 times the tangent of 54 degrees equals 165.2, or just 165 feet.